Tips for detox smokers' lungs. Sage tea. Drink sage tea to dispel lung disorders. Sage's textured leaves give off a heady aroma, which arises from sage's essential oils. These oils are the source of the many benefits of sage tea for lung problems and common respiratory ailments. Sage tea is a traditional treatment for sore throats and coughs. Cook with oregano. Oregano's primary benefits are due to its carvacrol and rosmarinic acid content. Both compounds are natural decongestants and histamine reducers that have direct, positive benefits on the respiratory tract and nasal passage airflow. Inhale lobelia. Lobelia contains an alkaloid known as lobeline, which thins mucus and breaks up congestion. Additionally, lobelia stimulates the adrenal glands to release epinephrine, relaxing the airways and allowing for easier breathing. Steam treat yourself with eucalyptus. To take advantage of its expectorant properties. Eucalyptus is a common ingredient in cough lozenges and syrups, and its effectiveness is due to an expectorant compound called cineol, which can ease a cough, fight congestion, and soothe irritated sinus passages. Mullein. Mullein to clear mucus and cleanse the bronchial tubes. Both the flowers and the leaves of the mullein plant are used to make an herbal extract that helps strengthen the lungs. Mullein is used by herbal practitioners to clear excess mucus from the lungs, cleanse the bronchial tubes, and reduce inflammation present in the respiratory tract. Peppermint. Peppermint to soothe your respiratory muscles. Peppermint and peppermint oil contain menthol, a soothing ingredient known to relax the smooth muscles of the respiratory tract and promote free breathing. Elecampane. Drink an infusion of elecampane to reap its soothing and expectorant benefits. The root of the elecampane plant helps kill harmful bacteria, lessens coughs, and expels excess mucus. Elecampane contains inulin, a phytochemical that coats and soothes the lining of the bronchial passages and acts as an expectorant in the body. Hot showers. Take hot showers to clear your lungs. Taking a shower with hot water for 20 minutes can be really helpful in clearing out your lungs. If you can sit in a sauna, the hot air will be even more effective in clearing your lungs. It is very important to allow your body to get rid of toxins through sweating. A sauna or hot water increases the secretion of sweat, and helps the lungs rid themselves of toxic substances. Stop smoking. To protect your lungs from toxins. Smoking tobacco is a great way to introduce a variety of toxins directly into your lungs. Tobacco smoke, nicotine, and the variety of other unhealthy substances found in cigarettes wreak havoc on your respiratory tract. In addition to lowering your lung capacity, smoking puts you at risk for cancer and other long-term health complications.
AAI Clinics, no excuses, just results. Give us a call for a free consultation with one of our clinical advisors.